Snip me off. Rotate around and snip me off first. It sounds inappropriate, but it's not.
Come lay yourself on me and then put me in your mouth.
Where are you gonna start, Rhett?
It's like yarn. It's like wet. It's wet. Why y'all gotta be wet and stuff? You know what we should do? We should just wet it.
They're like that. They like it when it's damp.
I like it straight from the hole. You don't like it straight from the hole?
But right here on the hole, it stinks.
Yeah, because you're more than 7 inches away.
Rhett and Link's famous anus funnel cake. Or we could just call it the anal cake for short. Look at, I didn't mean to do this, but does mine resemble something?
Yeah. This is, you know what, we need a circumcision demonstration.
Oh God.
You just eat the foreskin right off of there. And
look at that, it's crazy. Okay.
Well, we should dink it, of course. In profile.
Dink it.
My friends hate when I say what?
Moist.
That's a bad word.
Has Daddy been at the club again? No. You want to call him?
Yeah, it's 1-800. The question is,
it is an artificial sweetener found in most gums.
artificial. B, take off her hat and put on a tiara. Tiara? How do you say? Tiara?
Yeah, tiara.
Pick a biscuit. Ginger nut, bourbon, chocolate digestive.
What's the one before the Tommy Knocker?
I don't believe Tommy Knocker was one of them.
And the consistency of it really starts to work too when it's that like spreadable mess. It works in this environment.
Oh, full submersion?
Can you bring it out?
Our dogs are about the same age. They recently passed 1 year
they
in
didn't
age.
recently pass.
Oh, sorry. No. They recently passed the threshold
Of a year old.
We're not announcing the death of our dogs.
Oh gosh. If you look, rub around on it.
I could see you trying to kiss like that. That would explain a lot of things that
Hey,
your wife
man.
has told me. No, I didn't say that.
Nothing, I didn't say that. Doesn't seem appropriate.
I'll watch the show of how hot dogs are made and then immediately go eat a hot dog.
Yeah, you're sick, man.
I mean, it doesn't bother me.
it's pretty good tasting though.
It does taste good. I like it.
Makes me happy.
Hold on. This happened about a year in. Have you been noticing this?
About a year in, yeah.
Yeah.
I don't think she farts much because of that. I don't feed her tater scraps, which I think make your dog fart.
Tater scraps? Don't feed her tater scraps.
Table scraps.